Hello teacher, my name is Danilo Cat. I'm from Westpac. Show Joe my trivia guide about the Cumberland. Location. The Cumberland is beautiful, like is Canal to Colombia. It is location in the south of Nariño. The Cumberland is small and its water is very cold. What to do? In Cumberland, you can take a boat ride and visit the fishing trail. In Cumberland, you can egg fishing and raise fresh eggs. When to go? You must travel in the middle of the years also enjoy the municipal festivities of Hamburg. Where to start? You must not stay in the Cumberland. You must go to the municipality and stay in a hotel. What to eat? In the Cumberland, you must eat free trout. They also sell rice in a pig, which potatoes and cheese. What to drive? In Cumberland, you must drink vanilla water with cheese. Transportation. You can go by car or motorcycle to Cumberland. Language. Spanish is spoken in Cumberland. Brains. The energy every day is you must pay in Colombian pesos, and you can also pay in dollars. Shipping. The people of Laguna Cumber are very free and corporate. You don't have to pay a tip. Transportation. In Cumberland, you should not show because if you do, it could ride. Thank